In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to add vertical text in your Canva project. So I'm just selecting the text tool and selecting these heading, for example, and I'm typing my text here. Okay, now here we can see no option to make the text vertical. So all you have to need to make the text vertical, you have to edit the text. So select the first letter and hit enter or return key on your keyboard, and then select the second letter and do the same thing, making my text a little bit large. And I'm doing the same process for all of these letters. And now we have the vertical text. Now to adjust this vertical text line spacing, select the text and here click on these advanced settings icon, and here you will find letter spacing and line spacing. From here you can adjust your line spacing, and from here you can adjust your letter spacing. Okay, now you can select the text and you can also alignment your text. So the best option is select the center option here, and now you can select your text and you can add a color to your text just like this. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.